Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this beautiful Toyota Highlander, and in this video I would like to show you how to remove your taillight bulbs in this car, in case if you have to change some. So that light consists of two actually parts. You have one light here, the second light is right there. So let's open the trunk, and first I'm gonna show you how to work on this light here. We're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. Over here we have a little gap, that's where you put your screwdriver in. Carefully, try not to scratch nothing. Just nice and easy, remove the cover. Over here you have access to bulbs, okay? So you have bulbs here, grab a bulb, spin it to the left, and you have it out. Once you need to replace it, just pull it off with the fingers and replace it. Okay, this is one, and this is the other one. Okay, as you can see, super easy. I'm just gonna put it back in. And spin it. That's it. After you're done, put this cover back in. You put this thing first in, this end, and then just click the plastic piece back inside. That's this part. This thing is a little different. You will have to get 10mm ratchet and remove these two bolts. Okay, so this one and this one, remove them. So now when we have screws out, we have to pull the light to ourselves. Don't try to pull it to the side, because if you're gonna pull it to the side, you're gonna break a clip which holds down. Here's a clip inside. So just straight forward here. It's impossible to film this. I'm gonna try to show you. Hope you guys will be able to see what I'm doing there. One hand I'm pulling here, and like this. Simple. So I'm pushing here and pulling it there, so I don't break this clip, and then the light won't stay in. And that's it. We have a light bulbs here, same way. Pull it out, change it if you have to. You see, pull it and get it out. As you can see, it's super duper easy. I love Toyota for it. Once you're done, we have to do a line here. Okay, and okay, make sure this gap is not good. Something's wrong. We need to find what to do. Okay, good. So make sure there are no gaps here, no gaps here. Okay, nice. You can also compare. For example, you can compare this gap here if you need to make sure that you didn't do something wrong. Now it's good. Holes are aligned, good sign. And the last step, just screw these screws back in, and you're gonna be all set. So to buy parts, bulbs, you can go to parts store and get yourself parts, bulb, whatever you need. You can order them online or eBay. Online, eBay, or Amazon, whatever is comfortable for you. Okay, that's it, guys. If this helps, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.